za nosom vam predstavljamo Barber Drunk, vokalno skupino, ki od svoje ustanovitve leta 2017 navdušuje občinstvo. Ta vokalni kvartet, ki ga sestavljajo Nicolás Gross na tenorskem vokalu, Juan Gris na vodilnem vokalu, Diego Abella na baritonskem vokalu in Enrique Borlenghi na basovskem vokalu, je pokazal veliko sposobnost ustvarjanja izvrstne in očarljive harmonije. Od svoje ustanovitve je bil prisoten na številnih odrih in festivalih ter na različnih radijskih postajah. Njihova glasba se je dotaknila src poslušalcev in je bila priznana zaradi svoje sposobnosti za povezati se s čustvi ljudi. So izjemna vokalna skupina, ki je dokazala svojo sposobnost ustvarjanja glasbe. Njihova predanost vokalni glasbi in sposobnost združevanja glasbene skupnosti sta navdihujoči.
Es un placer presentarles a Barber Drunk, un grupo vocal que ha estado cautivando audiencias desde su formación en el año 2017. Este cuarteto vocal, que actualmente está compuesto por Nicolás Gross en la voz de tenor, Juan Gris en la voz de lead, Diego Abella en la voz de barítono y Enrique Borlenghi en la voz de bajo, ha demostrado una gran habilidad para crear una armonía exquisita y cautivadora. Desde su formación ha estado presente en numerosos festivales y escenarios, así como en diversas radios. Su música ha tocado el corazón de la audiencia y ha sido aclamada por su habilidad para conectar con la emoción de las personas. Es un grupo vocal excepcional que ha demostrado su habilidad para crear música. Su compromiso con la música vocal y su capacidad para unir a la comunidad musical es inspirador.
Z wami
Con ustedes,
Barber Drunk.
Let's sing a song, let's ring a song, let harmony be true. Come join the crossing, long loud like a good buster zoo. Let's bust a chord, a good old major chord with some ringing harmony. Then bust a chord, the one, we'll bust a minor one as we warble merrily. Let's sing it through again and then we'll all chime in and I'll make your heart feel light. You'll be hoarse tomorrow, but forget your sorrow while we bust a chord tonight.
If you're a low down bass, come on and find your place.
And let's never feel. If you're a baritone, we'll have to sit around the room. And a lead is what you need right over here. Let's bust a chord or two, and then you'll know it's true that a song makes things go right. Put away your trouble, make your joy be double while we bust our chord tonight.
While we bust
our chord tonight.
Gracias.
I was walking alone, minding my business, when out of an orange colored skies flash, bam, alakazam, wonderful you came by. Oh, I was humming a tune, drinking in sunshine, when out of an orange colored view, flash, bam, alakazam, I gotta look at you. One look and I yelled timber, watch out for flying glass. When the ceiling fell in and the bottom fell out, I went into his pit and decided to shot him and hit. This is it, this is it. Whoa, I was walking alone. and hit me in the eye. Flash, bam, Alakazam. Out of an orange collar, purple stripe, pretty green polka dotted sky. Flash, bam, Alakazam, goodbye, goodbye.
Hola.
¿Qué vamos a cantar, Enrique?
Ah, ok.
Vamos a cantar una canción que tiene un nombre muy largo, que es When I See an Elephant Fly. Bueno, no era tan largo, pero
Pero tiene un nombre.
sí.
Es de la película
Definitivamente.
Dumbo.
Exactamente.
¿Cuál era la nota?
Y empieza con una nota que es esta.
I saw a peanut stand, heard a rubber band. I saw an eagle that winked its eye. But I think I will content everything when I see an elephant fly in the sky. I saw a trumpet swing, had a diamond ring. I saw a polka dot railroad tie. But I think I will content everything when I see an elephant fly. I even heard a chocolate drop. I went into a store and saw a bicycle shop. You get another thing that you see, but I noticed certain things I just can't be. The other day by chance saw an open dead, and I just knocked it. I thought I'd die, but I think I will contain everything when I see an elephant fly in the sky. Ba-da, sha-da-da-da-dee-dee-doo, I saw a lotus ran up and tell me that a man made a vegetable truck. You get another thing that you see, but I know a certain thing that just can't be. No, that just can't be. I saw a peanut stand, had a rubber band. I saw a needle that winked its eye. Winked its eye. But I think I will contain everything when I see an elephant fly. When I see I see an elephant flying, fly way up high. Now I think I will have seen most everything. When I see an elephant fly, fly, fly. Bueno, eso fue entonces When I See an Elephant Fly. Ahora vamos a hacer un clásico, ¿no? No, siempre decimos lo mismo, siempre decimos que vamos a hacer un clásico, hacemos muchos clásicos. En este caso se llama Blue Velvet. Y cuando termine...
Y es un clásico.
She wore blue velvet, whoa, bluer than velvet was the night. precious and warm a memory through the years, and I still can see blue velvet through my tears, velvet through my tears.
Ahora vamos a hacer otro clásico.
Llenos de clásicos.
River Boca.
No, este es otro clásico. Bueno, justo me estaba riendo hace un ratito porque hablaba con gente que canta en el coro y que parece que estaban comentando, bueno, ¿y qué tema hacemos? ¿Qué vamos a cantar? Y salió Pollezero y dijeron, no, pará que esto lo cantan los muchachos de Bárbara Drang, así que agradezco a la gente del coro que no lo cantaron. Así que, bueno, vamos a hacer Pollezero. Bueno, cambia. Sí, tenés razón. Pero bueno, otro clásico. Ptice po dolinach, im planinach se bude. Ker so čule pesem mojo, zaka svojo žergole. Ker so čule
Me quedé. Ahí va.
Passed me by one summer day, flashed those big brown eyes my way, and oh, I wanted you forevermore. Now, baby, I'm not one that gets around, swear my feet stuck to the ground. I know I never did meet you before. I said, hello, Mary Lou. Goodbye, heart. Goodbye, heart. Sweet Mary Lou, I'm so in love with you. I'm in love with Mary Lou. I knew, Mary Lou, that we'd never part. So hello, Mary Lou, goodbye, heart, goodbye, heart. Saw your lips, I heard you pause. Believe me, I just had no choice. My horses couldn't make me stay away. Thought about a moonlit night, arms around you, good and tight. That's all I need to see for me to Oh, hello, Mary Lou. Goodbye, heart, goodbye, heart. Hello, Mary Lou. I'm in love with you. Yes, hello, Mary Lou. Goodbye, heart. When from the start I say hello, Mary Lou. Goodbye, heart. Goodbye, heart.
Muchas gracias.
Gracias, sí.
Si sabemos que vamos a cantar mejor.
No, yo
Yo
no.
creo que sabemos, pero no quiero volver a equivocarme. Ahora sí.
Medio kilo de harina.
Sí.
No, esa es la otra.
3 cebollas, 3
Ah,
cebollas.
pará. Bueno, este sí viene, ahora sí viene.
¿Están seguros?
Sí, sí.
Bueno.
Hace tiempo que...
Sí, estoy tomando agua porque dura un rato.
Vos explicá de qué trata.
Esta es una canción que no es una canción.
Ah, no.
Es una canción. ¿Es una canción?
Es
Son
un
varias
medley.
canciones.
Son varias canciones.
Sí.
¿Qué vamos a cantar?
El medley, el Notre
Vamos a
Dame
cantar
medley.
2 canciones.
¿Son dos?
¿Son 2?
Son un par más, creo.
Bueno, son varias canciones. Son más de
Yo no
una.
lo escribí, yo no lo escribí.
Son más de una canción que forman un conjunto de canciones.
¿Y cómo se llama eso,
Es
Henry?
un medley.
Ahí va.
O como le dicen en Francia, popurrí.
Medley.
Ah, Popurrí.
Popurrí.
Ah, mira.
¿Y en eslovenia?
¿Y en esloveno, claro?
No sé cómo se dice.
Es un...
Ah,
Está enganchado, ahí va.
Muchas gracias.
Sí, si en castellano se dice enganchado.
Claro,
No, no
enganchadito.
sé cómo se dice en castellano.
Y tiene la particularidad de ser canciones de la famosa película.
De Disney. El
El
jorobado de
jorobado de
Notre Dame.
¿No viene de un libro eso antes?
Sí, y de un musical.
Ahí va.
En realidad creo que viene del musical. Pero no importa, vamos a cantar estas
Dale,
canciones tan
sí.
lindas. Espero que les gusten.
Morning in Paris, the city awakes to the bells of Notre Dame. The fisherman fishes, the bakerman bakes to the bells of Notre Dame. To the big bells as loud as a thunder, to the little bells soft as a summer song. And some say the soul of the city is the toll of the bells, the bells of Notre Dame.
Listen, they're beautiful, but they don't ring by themselves. No. High in the tower lives the bell ringer. And why is he there? It's a tale of a man and a monster.
Church clock roll along to purge the world of vice and sin.
But he felt fear for his soul and took in this young child, deformed from birth, calling him Quasimodo.
Dies irae, dies illa.
I must keep him locked away where no one else can see.
No one will behold him.
Even this foul creature may prove one day to be of use to me.
Now here is a riddle to guess if you can. Sing the bells of Notre Dame. Tell me who is the monster and who is the
Safe behind these windows and these parapets of stone, gazing at the people down below me. And all my life I watch them as I hide up here alone. I'm hungry for the histories they show me. And life I memorize their faces,
Just
knowing them as they will never know me.
And I wonder
All my life I wonder how it feels to pass a day not above them, but part of them,
so far away from me.
and out there living in the sun. Give me one day out there. All I ask is one to hold forever out there. Just one day, unaware what I give, what I dare, just to live one day out there.
One day away from
Tell among the woods and the weavers and the whites, through the roof and gables I can see them.
see them.
Every day they shout and scold and go about their lives,
Oh,
heedless of the gift there is to be them.
For
If I were in the skin I'd treasure every instant out there, strolling by the sand, I will taste the morning out there like ordinary men who freely walked about there. Just one day and then I swear I'll be content with my share, won't resent, won't despair, old and bent, I won't care, I have spent one day out there.
I need to tell the
So that is a riddle to guess if you can. Sing the bells of Notre Dame. What makes a monster and what makes a man? What makes a man? Sing the bells, 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 bells of Notre Dame.
Bueno, muchas gracias. Vamos a estar haciendo ahora un tema.
La canción más moderna que vamos a cantar. Ah, no, no sé.
Sí, reactual.
Sí.
Sí, solo tiene
¿60?
45 años, 50,
Va por ahí.
puede ser.
De Billy Joel and So It Goes.
¿Querías tomar agua?
In every heart there is a room, a sanctuary safe and strong, to heal the wounds from lovers past, until a new one comes along. I spoke to you in cautious tones. You answer me with no pretense, and still I feel I said too much. My silence is my self-defense, and every time I held the rose, it seems I only felt the thorns. And so it goes, and so it goes, and so will you soon, I suppose. But if if my silence made you leave, then that would be my worst mistake. So I will share this room with you, and you can have this heart to break. And this is why my eyes are closed. It's just as well for all I've seen. And so it goes, and so it goes. And you're the only one who knows. So I would choose to be with you. That's if the choice were mine to make. But you can make decisions too, and you can have this heart to break. And so it goes, and so it goes, and you're the only one who knows.
Jericho.
Este también es un clásico, es un
Negro
soul.
espiritual.
Claro.
Joshua Fit the Battle of Jericho.
Qué fuerte que suena el tosido, ¿no?
Entre el salón y el micrófono.
Joseph beat the battle of Jericho, Jericho, Jericho. Joseph beat the battle of Jericho, and the walls came tumbling down. Joseph beat the battle of Jericho, Jericho, Jericho. Joseph beat the battle of Jericho, and the walls came tumbling down. Let me tell you about it. Joseph beat the battle of Jericho, Jericho, Jericho. Joseph beat the battle of Jericho, and the walls came tumbling down. Joseph beat the battle of Jericho, Jericho, Jericho. Joseph beat the battle of Jericho, and the walls came tumbling down. You've been talking about the king of Gideon, you've been talking about the man of Saul, but I don't like good old Joshua at the battle of Jericho. It's so the battle of Jericho. Oh, mighty well the walls around Jericho, Jericho, Jericho. So very mighty well the walls around Jericho, but the walls came tumbling down. Yeah, I said the walls came a tumbling, tumbling, tumbling. The walls came a tumbling down. The mighty walls came tumbling down. Let me tell you about the battle of Jericho, 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 Jericho. Early in the morning they by Jericho, by Jericho, it was Jericho. Yes, it was early in the morning they by Jericho. God's children gather round. Early in the morning they by Jericho, Jericho, round Jericho, round Jericho, round Jericho, round Jericho, round Jericho, round Jericho. Joshua led the children around Jericho. 7 times they marched around. 7 times they marched around Jericho, Jericho, Jericho. 7 times they marched around Jericho. Then a hush fell all around. Yeah, the children made not a sound. And then up to the walls of Jericho they marched with spear in hand. Go Go blow them ramrons, Joshua cried, 'cause the battle is in my hand. And then the lamb ran, sheep-horns began to blow, and the trumpets began to sound. Oh, Joshua commanded all the children to shout. He said, shout, shout, shout! And the walls came tumbling down. The walls came tumbling down. Yeah, Joshua beat the battle of Jericho, around Jericho, Jericho. Yeah, Joshua beat the battle of Jericho, and the walls came tumbling down. Joshua beat the battle of Jericho, Jericho. What a morning when Joshua beat the battle of Jericho, and the walls came tumbling, tumbling, tumbling. The mighty walls around Jericho came down. Those mighty walls came down, tumbling down. Let me tell you, those walls came tumbling down.
Gracias.
Woman 64. Bueno, estamos...
Vamos a hacer un clásico ahora, ¿no?
Otra vez, sí, otro clásico. También moderno.
Sí, sí.
Un Lennon
Este
McCartney.
solo tiene 80. 80 años casi. No, 60.
No sé, no exageremos
Sí,
tampoco tanto.
sí, algo. Pero sí, lo hizo originalmente un cuarteto parecido a nosotros.
Igualito.
Igualito. When I'm 64. A ver quién la conoce.
When I get older, losing my hair, so many years from now, will you still be sending me a Valentine, birthday greetings, bottle of wine? If I've been out till 2:45, would you lock the door? Will you still meet me? Will you still feed me when I'm 64? You'll be older too. And if you say the word, baby, I could stay with you. I could be handyman and a fuse when your lights have gone. You can eat a sweater by the fireside. Sunday morning, go for a ride. Do the garden, dig in the weeds. Who could ask for more? Will you still meet me? Will you still feed me when I'm 64? Every summer we can rent a cottage in the Isle of Wight. If it's not too dear, we shall scrimp and say, ah, grandchildren on your knee, little Vera, Chuck, and Dave. Send me a postcard, drop me a line, stating point of view. Indicate precisely what you mean to say. You're sincerely wasting away. Give me your answer, fill in the form. Mine forevermore. Will you still meet me? Will you still feed me when I'm 64? When I'm 64.
Muchas gracias por sus aplausos. Nos estamos acercando al final de nuestra presentación.
Pero bueno, les agradecemos
Estamos muy contentos.
enormemente la buena recepción, la invitación del club y de la comunidad. Así que la verdad que me gusta mucho estar acá, creo que a todos nos gusta.
Totalmente.
Un público muy cálido. Así que bueno, muchas gracias. Ahora vamos a hacer otro medley, otro enganchadito.
Un enganchadito o un...
Mencho. Después tengo que escucharlo bien. Esta vez de los Beach Boys.
Y es larguito, así que si alguien quiere ir al baño o quiere ir a...
Rápido.
¿Vos?
No, vos quédate acá. Here. Vamos.
Here are some songs from a gang you will remember, songs that the Beach Boys sang. Wouldn't it be nice if we were older, then we wouldn't have to wait so long? And wouldn't it be nice to live together in the kind of world that we belong? Though it's gonna make it that much better, that we can say goodnight and say we'll stay together. Bop. Wouldn't it be nice if we could wake up in the morning when the day is new, and after having spent the day together, hold each other close the whole night through. Happy times together we'd be spending. I wish that every kiss was never ending, would never end. But wouldn't it be nice? Oh, so nice.
Ba brand.
You got me rocking in a rolling, rocking in a reeling, ba-ba-ran, ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ran. Went to a dance, looking for romance, so ba-ba-ran, so I thought I'd take a chance with ba-ba-ran, ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ran, ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ran. You got me rocking in a rolling, rocking in a reeling, ba-ba-ran, ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ran,
Ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ran.
ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ran. Little surfer, little one, make my heart come all undone. Do you love me? Do you, surfer girl? My little surfer girl, I have watched you on the shore, standing by the ocean's roar. Do you love me? Do you, surfer girl, little surfer girl? Whoa, do I could ride to surf together while our love would grow. Wah. In my woody I would take you everywhere I go. So I say from me to you, I will make your dreams come true. Do you love me? Do you, surfer girl? I love the girl. Well, East Coast girls are hip by, really dig those styles they wear. And the Southern girls, we the way they talk, they knock me out when I'm down there. The Midwest farmers' daughters really make you feel alright. And the Northern girls, we the way they kiss, they get the boyfriends warm at night.
I wish they all could be Slovenia.
I wish they all could be in Slovenia. I wish they all could be in Slovenia, girl. Well, she's got
got a dead scar and she cruised to the hamburger cinema. See, she forgot all about the library like she told her old man now. And with the radio blasting, goes cruising just as fast as she can now. And she'll have fun, fun, fun till the daddy takes her T-bird away, away, take her T-bird away. Well, the girls can't stand it cause she walks, looks and drives like an ace now.
You walk like an ace
She
now.
makes the Indy 500 look like a Roman chariot race now.
You walk like an ace
A
now.
lot of guys have to catch him, but she leaves them on a wagon's chase now. And she'll have fun, fun, fun till the daddy takes her T-bird away, away, take her T-bird away. She'll have fun, fun, fun till the daddy takes her T-bird away.
Round, get around.
I get around, yeah, get around, round, round, I get around, round, 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 I get around, get around, round, round, I get around, get around, round, round, I get around, get around, round, round, I get around. I'm getting bugged driving up and down the same old strip. I gotta find a new place where the kids are hip. My body's a me, I get them real well known. Yeah, the bad guys know it and the Beatles alone.
I get
Round,
around.
round, get around, I get around, get around, round, round, I get around, get around, round, round, I get around, get around, round, round, I get around,
I get around.
get around, round, 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 get around, round, round. I get around was our final song. Those were some classic songs from the Beach Boys, songs that everyone enjoyed. We love all the Beach Boys songs, all the Beach Boys songs. Voilà. No tenemos nada preparado.
No, porque no sabemos más canciones. Vamos a tener que improvisar algo.
Sabemos un clásico.
Que también tiene una cosita medio medley, ¿no?
Sí. Hay
¿Quieres
que...
anunciar?
Yo achiché. No era
No,
eso. Esa era la comida.
Es otra cosa.
Eso es comida.
Estamos hablando.
Quiso decir en inglés.
No,
Ya se mezcla. Estoy recién aprendiendo a ver.
no, no, por favor.
Tampoco, no. Perdón.
¿Qué pasa?
No lo saco más. No se lo puede llevar a ningún lado.
No, sí. ¿Tenemos nota? Now that it's your birthday, I don't know what to do. I can give you a Thunderbird or a penthouse with a view. Can even buy a little present. I'm much too broke, I find. But there is one way I can save the day, and I hope that you don't mind that. I can give you anything but love, baby, baby of mine. That's the only thing I've plenty of, baby. Dream a while, scheme a while, we're sure to find. We'll find some happiness, and I guess all those things you've always pined for. Gee, I like to see you looking swell, baby.
Baby of mine.
Diamond bracelets were worth a dozen sell, baby. Till the lucky day you know damn well, baby. I can give you anything but love, but love. Now even though it's free below, let's just enjoy the storm, baby. We got love to keep us warm.
if you'll agree to marry me, who could ask for anything more? Oh, gee, I'd like to see you looking swell, baby.
Baby of mine.
Diamond bracelets were what doesn't sell, baby. Till that lucky day, you know darn well, baby, I can give you anything. Love can buy me love. I can give you anything. She loves you, yeah, yeah, yeah. I can give you anything, and all you need is love. I got plenty of. I can give you anything. But this thing called love, this crazy little thing called
Y ahora ellos van a cantar una canción que se llama...
Queremos expresar nuestro más sincero agradecimiento al grupo vocal Barber Drunk por su magnífica actuación en nuestra noche cultural Optac to Barb. Su música y talento nos hizo vibrar y su pasión por el arte del canto nos dejó a todos impresionados. No podemos estar más que agradecidos por haber sido parte de este evento. Gracias.
Bueno, ya saludé antes, me voy a saludar de vuelta. Gracias Juan, gracias Nicolás, gracias Enrique, gracias Diego.
Gracias, Marco.
De nada. Bueno,
Y a Vic.
y a Víctor, que es el anterior presidente. Bueno, un pequeño presente.
Ah, mirá, bueno. Es del estilo que nos gusta.
Por eso el nombre, ¿no?
Ya tomaron mucha agua, ahora pueden tomar.
Muchas gracias.
Gracias.
Gracias, hola.
No alcanzó el presupuesto.
Ahí llega.
Hola.
Él es nuestro noveno.
Ese es un trabajo de la señora Reina Leo.
Hola.
Muchas gracias.
Bueno, gracias y los esperamos otra vez.
¿Cómo no? Encantado. Encantado.
Muchas gracias.
Na koncu bi se radi poslovili do naslednjega leta v upanju, da se bomo spet srečali in skupaj proslavili novo izdajo tega kulturnega večera, ki nam tako veliko pomeni. Nasvidenje.
Por último, queremos despedirnos hasta el próximo año con la esperanza de que podamos reunirnos nuevamente para celebrar juntos una nueva visión de esta noche cultural que tanto significa para nosotros. Muchas gracias y hasta pronto.